Hello, it's Damien. Welcome to Toolforce Tuesday. This week we're going to show you the Milwaukee combo kit. So this is the Milwaukee high torque impact wrench and grease gun supplied in a kit. So I'm going to give you a look at it. It's supplied in the Milwaukee wheelie bag. So inside the kit it's supplied with two of the 5 Ah batteries. So this is the 3/4 wrench. This is 1-key compatible. You can pair it with the 1-key app on your mobile phone and change the settings, both torque, speed, and you also can track the device. So this impact wrench is quite powerful. It's got 2,084 Newton meters of torque. So this is the Milwaukee M18 grease gun. This is renowned as one of the best battery grease guns on the market. Self-bleeding, and it has got various different settings. You can change how fast the grease is pumped. You've got an LED light as well on it.